What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the final day we have to finish this thing up if I'm gonna go on this vacation. This is the Evo we have been working on. It is pretty complete. We got the motor, tranny, transfer, a lot of the stuff on there. The wiring is done, intake is done. This is all the turbo kit stuff that we Cerakoted. I ended up doing that precision logo silver. I just took off the Cerakote right there, so that looks pretty sick. I'm gonna get every single thing we need to get on the car on this table. None of that stuff is going to go on yet because it's not fully cured. We could put it on the car and just not drive it, but I do not have the seals for the turbo yet, so we have to wait for those seals to come in. Those should be in by the time we get back from vacation. So I'm gonna get all the stuff stored away behind the car, and then every single thing you need to put on the car, just lay it out on the table, get a good idea of what all we have left to do. Well, this is pretty much all we have left. Radiator, front crash beam, 4-inch intercooler, new oil cooler kit from MA Performance, accessory belt, one of the tensioners, bottom motor mount, CV axles, headlights, radiator hose, inner fender. If we can get all of this installed today, by the time we get back from Bali, we should have the seals in for the turbo. All we have to do is just assemble the turbo, put the turbo kit on, and we should be ready to break in the motor. Quick little reminder before we go back to work on the Evo 10. This Friday, all of the new Voss merch goes live. We're gonna make the website open to the public at 10 a.m., but if you want 15-minute early access, go down in the description box below. First link is vossen.com. Enter it in your email address, and I'll send you out an email 15 minutes prior to the site opening up with a password to get on the site early. I think the first thing we should work on is getting the old oil cooler off, and the only reason I'm swapping it out is because that one probably has metal shavings in it from when our last motor went bye-bye. This here is a new MA Performance oil cooler kit. I think those are all the braided lines and whatnot. This is probably the oil cooler, and then the brackets. It should be a pretty straightforward install. I'll have this link down in the description box below. Remember, if you use my discount code Devin5, you'll save 5% off of this kit or pretty much anything else on the website. The stock cooler is super easy to pull off. There is a bolt there, 2 bolts on the inside, and the oil cooler will come off. So this here is everything included in the MAP Rev 2 oil cooler kit. Oil cooler, some braided lines that we have to assemble, brackets, mounting hardware, and a little piece of paper. So let's figure out how this thing all goes together and get it on the car. I think I got it all figured out. We got the fittings on to the motor. The longer line runs to the bottom of the oil cooler, and that rear fitting, this one goes to the top of the cooler. At least that's how the stock one was. I gotta put these stock OEM rubber mounts off the stock cooler onto those brackets, and then we can get everything bolted up and those lines ran. We've been messing around with this oil cooler for probably like 45 minutes now, and I cannot figure out how to get these lines to fit. It seems like they're simply put just way too short. This longer one is supposed to run from the back, from the driver's side to the bottom. So if I keep messing around with this, I'm gonna get nothing done today. I'm just gonna put this oil cooler off until we get back. For now, actually, you know what? If we don't get this oil cooler on, we can't get the radiator on. We can't really do much anything else. I'm gonna keep messing around with it. There's got to be a way to get this thing to fit if they sent him that length. I'm gonna go ahead and scrap this oil cooler project for now. I'm literally just wasting away my day. We can still get the axles on, the headlights on, inner fenders, accessory belt back on, lower motor mount on. I'm gonna get every single thing I can get on without the oil cooler, because I can't get the radiator on. I can't get any of the stuff up front on, like the crash beam, all that stuff, intercooler, until this oil cooler setup is done. Because if I get everything else installed, I won't be able to access the oil filter housing. Basically what's going on is both those lines are too short. I went on their website and looked at the photos, and it's supposed to come with one super long line. I just cut it home myself, which would be a lot easier. But yeah, I don't know why they're pre-cut. I haven't figured it out yet. I need to contact Modern Auto and see what's going on there. All right, up next is the accessory belt with this one little pulley. This belt is super easy to get on. So I'm gonna slap that on, and that will be every single thing that we can do to this car today. We do have to pull off the rear wheels too. I have to put them on the abandoned Evo, because yeah, I'll explain in a minute. I just have to pull all the wheels off. All right, let's give the shop a good cleaning, pick up all the tools. We gotta get this car up in the air, the rear wheels off, and then I'll kind of explain what I'm doing with the red rays. Alright, so the wheels on the abandoned Evo right now are Bobby's wheels. She's selling them because she wants to buy a new set, so someone's coming to pick up those wheels. The only problem is I don't have a spare set of wheels to put on that car, so I'm forced to take the red rays off this car, put them on that car until she gets a new set of wheels, then I can take them back off that car, put them back on this car. Kind of a shit show, honestly, but it's all good. Let's pull that Evo into the shop if it still runs and get those wheels swapped out. So I just realized we have a major problem. Bobby's TPMS sensors are still in these wheels, so I'm trying to find a tire shop that's open right now that can get them out and just put regular valve stems back in them, because those are kind of expensive to buy and they're already like matched to her car, so it'd be really nice just to get those things out. They honestly don't look too bad on here. This car's not very low. I think it's got Ibrox springs on it, so they look a little bit better on there because those tires aren't massive. They're 255 35s. But yeah, it actually looks pretty sick. What do you guys think? All right, this is the stopping point for today on this car. These things are gonna take a little nap while we are in Bali. I don't think I really mentioned to you guys, we're going to Bali, which is in Indonesia. I think it's by like Asia or Europe or something, somewhere over there on the other side of the world, and we are going to be leaving here soon. So that car actually looks pretty sick with those wheels on it. I kind of like it. I don't exactly know what wheels we are picking up for Bobby, but it'll be something nice. Stay tuned on the channel, or maybe go check out her channel if she makes a video on it. That is gonna be it for today though, guys. There's nothing else we can do on the Evo 10 until I figure out that oil cooler line situation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you. I don't know if I'm gonna record in Bali or not. I'll probably make one video out there. So I'll see you in the next video. Remember, Boston launch is in 3 days. You're probably watching this, or 2 days. You're watching this Wednesday. It is on Friday, so the upcoming 25th, upcoming Friday, www.boston.com. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video.